this niche is, in my opinion, one of, if not the top niches that are out there. And when you can make this stuff in seconds with a tool like Midjourney, and in seconds have it fulfilled, done for you, the amount of money is absolutely staggering. James and Dave here, and we're going to break down the most lucrative side hustle AI strategy we've ever seen. Close to $3 million in verified sales. We're going to break it down for you right now.
And it's amazing because it's something you can do with AI so easily. And it's the wedding market. The wedding market is huge, massive. It's ongoing. It doesn't matter if times are good, doesn't matter if times are bad. The wedding market is incredible. And there's so many different things you can do with the wedding market.
Absolutely. So, Dave, have you ever known somebody in the world to be married before? Right? There's a few people in this world that have been married. And I could tell you something. As a male, the day wasn't really about me. I don't know about you, Dave, but the day was more about the lady, and that's fine. But the bottom line is, when I got married many, many years ago, there was a lot of money involved for the DJ, for the cards, for the this, and that. And the fact is, it's about that day. It's a special day for obvious reason, and women especially are willing to spend money like crazy to have. So, like, look at this here, what you're showing right here, $3.99. Okay, that's not a lot, but think about this here: $3.99 for a Brianna here to have a nice little card made up, a nice little design made up. Okay, how many different reviews, Dave, do we have just on that for the $3.99?
So it looks like 83 reviews just for this one item, and this shop has a bunch of items in it.
But think about this: when you can customize, when you can have a cool looking design, people are willing to pay a lot of money, and you can make cards, you can make posters, you can make all kinds of things just using an image. And there's many different tools out there. We like to focus on Midjourney, but you can use Midjourney, you can use these AI tools to make really, really nice pieces of paper.
Right.
Look at it. Look at all these things. These are basically all pieces of paper. Okay. And you sell them a piece of paper, and then they have what, like popsicle sticks there or something like that. Who knows? The bottom line is, people are willing to spend money, and they're willing to get what they want for their wedding, and they're willing to spend a lot of money. I mean, this particular one store on Etsy has taken in millions of dollars.
Yep.
And I don't care if it's $3.99. I don't care if it's $399. If I'm going to make millions of dollars off something, that opens up my eyes. And I can tell you from experience, Dave can tell you this. And obviously, if you're someone on this channel, people spend a ton of money with a wedding for obvious reasons. It's super emotional. Your family's there. There's a lot going on. This niche is, in my opinion, one of, if not the top niches that are out there. And when you can make this stuff in seconds with a tool like Midjourney, and in seconds have it fulfilled, done for you, the amount of money is absolutely staggering.
It is. Look at this shop, has 331,000 sales, right? And if you just do an average of like $8 a sale, which is very low, right? That's over 2.6, that's almost $3 million in just this one shop. Now, this to me is one of the most lucrative, the most exciting niches that you can get into. And like James said, all you do is use Midjourney to make all the imagery, like the flowers. Midjourney is amazing at that. And then use Canva to create the actual text and everything, and you're done. It's very simple. And you just crank these out over and over and over again. And that's the power of AI. That's how quick you can do it with AI. The one thing you want to do is just make sure that you're offering popular designs. Look at what other people are doing and mimic some of that stuff, but do add your own flair to it. But look at the number of things that are available for weddings: envelope addressing, signs, table size, poster size, seating charts, place cards, table numbers.
And these are all just paper. Like, that's, think of it this way. It's just like
all
when you
paper
see,
stuff,
right? Save the date programs. It's all just, you can muddy it up and say there's all this stuff. It's just paper. It's just an image. And you could have a little form that they fill out. Give me your name, give me the date, a couple of things you want to say, and then boom, get ChatGPT to write up a card that includes these 4 pieces of information, and it has a little poem there. Who knows? You can get crazy with it. But the bottom line is you're just getting stuff being put on paper, and you can sell it. And of course, you can use tools like Printify, among others out there, that'll do this all for you. Totally integrated with Etsy.
Pretty amazing. So if you like this kind of stuff, and we teach all different kinds of hacks and tools and resources that are AI related. AI just simply supercharges and turbocharges the speed at which you can do something. be sure to sign up for our free AI newsletter. We go much more in depth in the newsletter. And also check our description box down below, because we've got some amazing courses as well, including a course that's going to show you exactly how to do this. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time on Making Money with AI.